y se llama Paper Bird.
¡Woo!
Another landmine in my eye as I walk home again. A paper pigeon in my sky, and I know it's hard, but you don't try. It's too late now, 'cause the sun is already gone. And there I go again, building a fort up in my brain. I crawl on floors again. These paper corners keep me sane. Well, you're sure flying low. Are you enjoying the show? Sit on my window pane, watch my composure fade. Well, this ain't what I signed up for, boy. You've taken me for a fool, and I'm not the kind of person who you wanna be treating so cruel. Say from first up on your wire, you've done the same to me at least 100,000 times. If you think that's unfair, darling bird, that door's right there. Well, I'm far away, to stay. Well, paper bird, don't you fly too high, you might get burned and lose your precious sky. Don't break my heart today, my sweet paper mache. Well, this ain't what I signed up for, seems you taking me for a fool, and I ain't the kind of person who you wanna be treating so cruel. Yeah, paper bird, so don't you fly too high, might get burned and lose your precious sky. So don't break my heart today, my sweet paper mache. This ain't what I signed up for, seems you